LastPass Teams versus 1Password Manager or for Business. Which password manager wins? So LastPass Teams and 1Password Business are both enterprise-grade password managers built for US teams, but they differ in security features, pricing, and admin control. So first, let's talk about their pros, starting with LastPass Teams. It offers shared votes, security policies, zero-knowledge encryptions, directory integrations which integrates with Microsoft and Enter ID and other workspaces. It also has monitoring and reporting. And the pricing for team plans is very affordable, like $4 per user per month. Now let's talk about 1Password's pros. It has high security, enterprise integration, security insights, shared vaults with granular access, passkeys and modern authentications, and onboarding and support. Now for the cons though, LastPass Teams has some breach history, policy depth, and shared folder risk. Meanwhile, one business or 1Password business has a cost for pricing is higher, a sharing UX, where some users note that 1Password's shared vault aren't as flexible, and also has a master password plus a secret key requirement. So overall, if your US team values cost efficiency and simple shared password management, then I recommend LastPass Teams. It's a solid pick, especially for small to mid-sized teams. But if your security is your top priority and you need the stronger encryptions, detailed access control, then I recommend the 1Password business. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications.